If you have loaded data into a spreadsheet and need to separate it into columns, here is a quick example. With the use of a macro, we can put the data into individual columns if the option to redo the download is not possible or not working. Here we need to make a new column every time we have a semicolon. The macro just starts n new column here time it comes across it. You can see the macro and it is not overly complicated to understand. It just uses loops and the mid application in the programming. I just come across the issue a lot, so gave it a quick go to show the power of Excel with macro. I used arrays to achieve this outcome, and if like using Excel and want to improve your range, then this is a good example of how you can combine arrays and loops to overcome problems. When I started learning these, my ability to add new features to resume advanced significantly, so give it a go. Here we can view the macro. For ease, I put the data in the cells into an array. I have decided to put each individual character from the cell into an array. Then look for the semicolon. When the program comes across it, it starts a new array. When constructing databases, learning some of these features can really help you analyze data quickly. The row count feature is great to use when you are filling rows and columns with data. Used with loops, it can be very versatile and lots of fun. I have been a bit lazy and should have used redim preserve with the arrays, but as a quick tutorial, it is probably a bit easy to learn by keeping it simple. But for your first go at looking at a basic program, you can see it is extremely effective and solving data issues. The if and next loop is used concurrently in this example, and by doing this, having a loop inside another loop, sorting data into different arrays is heaps efficient. Bit hard to understand by a quick example like this, but I hope you can see and grasp what Excel can do. You don't need to spend lots of time learning macros, but knowing when to use them and looking at quick solutions, you can make your work more interesting.